Hi, George Dillard with a Cafe Chat. In Psalm 10, the psalmist writes and says, Lord, you see the trouble of the afflicted. You hear their cries and you take it in hand. To me, that's a key phrase. He takes it in hand. The Lord doesn't just look at the afflicted. He doesn't just hear their cries. He actually does something about it. Your Father is not idly watching you in times of joy or times of trouble. He is active and vital in your life and in your world when you ask Him in. He takes it in hand. And I tell you, I find great comfort in that little phrase because I know that my troubles, my affliction, my pain is in His hands. I hope that you're encouraged by that, and I hope that you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you next time.